What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, I do have some very important things to go over with you in regards to the S&P 500, Bitcoin, Ethereum, even XRP. Lots of very important plays are happening as we speak. Some things that we saw and noticed and almost figured would happen on a lot of the technical indicators happening across the board on most of the major cryptos. XRP, if you remember, as you can see clear as day here, we had drawn just recently a symmetrical triangle showing you where we'd fill in this gap here, and a decision would have to be made, and clearly that decision was made and we broke down, which is totally cool. This was a short opportunity, a very small one, an aggressive one, but beyond that, Ethereum continued to break to the upside. Well, how did we know this is going to happen? Well, just yesterday, we were tracking a beautiful ascending fractal here, showing you the signs where price ceiling was, where we're going to be retested, and we discussed very much so in depth. If we broke above, we'd buy in and long. If we broke below, we'd buy in and short. And guess what? This was another major opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. Another very easy buy-in opportunity. Moving forward, Bitcoin continuing to break outside of its beautiful ascending fractal, something that we figured was on here for quite some time. We broke out of this. We were able to buy in on an aggressive trade, and here we are moving up, which yet again was another clearly called opportunity. And then lastly, the S&P 500, which as you guys can clearly tell is rejecting off-price ceiling. Totally perfect, exactly how we anticipated. And you can see there's a good chance we'll spiral down a little bit, come back up here, and then ideally break through this beautiful bull flag formation. This is setting up for a very solid breakout to the upside on the S&P 500 that I know everyone is waiting for. So I'm super excited to see where that pans out. Obviously, we'll go a lot more in depth on that in a minute. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. All right, guys, so before we dive into the technical analysis, if you are interested or curious as to where I post my trades on YouTube before they actually hit YouTube, where I talk about everything, it is on my Patreon, which you could join for free, or you can join a membership here, which I've posted down in the description below. So if you're interested in signing up for one of these, courses, it's not really a course, only this last one is a course, but if you're interested in joining one of these right here, which is where I post all my trades, there's a limited amount of people remaining, so make sure to check that out down in the description below. And moving forward, I wanted to quickly show you guys something super quick. As you guys can see here, BidFi is giving away a free $200 in rewards by signing up with the link down in the description below. Signing up, completing KYC, and activating the futures bonus. Our futures account will give you a bonus of up to $200 in cryptocurrency to trade around and do what you want with. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. It is a completely free exchange, which I highly recommend you take advantage of, as it is my favorite that we've been using for many, many, many years. Now, moving forward and looking at YouTube, my current channel here, which they definitely changed something here. My videos are way bigger than usual, which is whatever. But as you guys can see, yesterday we made a video basically talking about today being the day where we're breaking out of Bitcoin here, exploding to the upside, seeing a major run and pump to the upside here. Beyond that, we were tracking the beautiful fractal that was forming here for quite some time, the ascending fractal on Bitcoin for quite a few days. We had symmetrical triangles that we were breaking out of, bull flag breakouts. We had the double bottom. We even had a bull trap, which broke us to the upside here. And we've just been continuing to explode to the upside, giving us tons of opportunity to buy in and long on a conservative scale, which, as you guys know, is my favorite thing to do. It has made trading these cryptocurrencies that much more rewarding because we've been so patient with the buy-in opportunity. But as you guys can clearly tell, we are up 2%, and we're nearing the greed side of the markets here, where we're at 77 on the Fear and Greed Index. Cryptos are clearly continuing to pump, up 8% for the week for Bitcoin, 16% for Ethereum, 10% for BNB, 8 for XRP, 28 for Solana, 17 for Cardano. Pretty much all the major cryptocurrencies, as you can see over the past, I'd say 2 to 3 days, have been in an uptrend or in some sort of breakout to the upside, which is doing incredibly beneficial things for crypto. Now, obviously, XRP is starting to veer lower here. This is expected and anticipated because this was one of the forefront leaders of the major pump to the upside here. From the double bottom, we've actually managed to explode 54%. So we have seen quite a massive explosion in XRP, way more than we've seen in these other cryptocurrencies. And now it's time for those other cryptos to catch up to XRP, and then we let XRP consolidate, because as you can see, we've seen numerous opportunities to buy in and long XRP, numerous times patterns where we've been able to buy in with just bullish movements overall. We had a symmetrical triangle here, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. Or sorry, this was a symmetrical triangle, a pennant flag. We broke out of this. That was an explosion. We had a clear price ceiling on an ascending fractal. We broke out of that, exploded to the upside here. And then we were tracking yet again another sort of, technical indicator here. We could draw it more so like this, where we had a beautiful ascending fractal where prices were trending inside of here, filling in the gap. Decision had to be made. We were extremely overbought. We did consolidate lower, but there was a clear price ceiling, which we've had trouble doing. You also see the reversal doji right here. So once we confirmed closure a couple hours ago, yesterday, I believe, right here, yesterday, where we closed below the support, this uptrend here, that was an opportunity to buy in and short. And since then, we've been able to correct downwards here. And I would not be surprised if we start falling even lower, as we are a bit above where we should be ideally. Like I've said before, I've expected and anticipated correction right now within XRP. You guys are even commenting that I was one of the few YouTubers actually telling people a correction is necessary for crypto while everybody else is perma bullish. Well, as you can clearly see, that correction that we've calculated and called for is happening within XRP as anticipated. I've said it and I'll say it again here. We typically have been acting as some sort of bull flag formations within XRP consistently here. You can see the continuous bull flag breakouts we've had. Here's the first one. Here's the flag pull, the flag itself, and then we had a breakout clear as day. This was one. Here's the second one, third, fourth, and we're now looking for the fifth breakout here. Yet again, here's the flag pull, here's the flag, here's the breakout. Here's the flag pull, here's the flag, here's the breakout. Here's the flag pull, here's the flag, here's the breakout. Here's the flag pull, here's the flag, here's the breakout. Here's the flag pull. Now we're looking for a flag, and then we're going to see a breakout yet again. So that's why we're on number 5 of the past bull flag breakouts that XRP has continuously been doing. We're extremely overbought on the daily, so now we need to see some sort of consolidation back down to the moving average as we've consistently done here. We're looking for moving average retest. I would not be surprised if we see a huge short opportunity as we start to scale back down to bottom support here. Keep that in mind, because that's truly where I suspect to see XRP move to. We need to move down to the blue band you can see right here. That's target right now for the market right here. You can see, even though we're trading at like 40 on the RSI, and we jump to XRP on the daily here, it makes a lot more sense why a correction would be necessary. And it's because we're still so freaking close to overbought. Will this let me move over? It will not. That's so annoying. You can see right here, we're now at about 63 on the RSI, and we have plenty of room to continue to spiral down to moving average, and then we'll see that break off. But for moving forward from there, the opportunity to short XRP conservatively is here, and we could do that on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi has allowed me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, and even take profits on XRP. As you can clearly see right here on the derivatives chart, USDTM, click on XRP, it's right here. So like if we clicked on derivatives just like that, literally click right here, XRP, and it'll populate the XRP chart. You can then take profits. You can create stop losses. You can even create the amount of leverage that you want, which is awesome here. So make sure to check it out down in the description below. Best part is if you click right here, new users can earn up to $2,888 by completing very simple tasks here. Sign up bonuses, new user tasks, advanced tasks, exclusive tasks that are sign up bonuses. So make sure to check that out down in the description below. Now, moving forward to these other cryptocurrencies, what do we have to look at? Well, Ethereum just exploded to the upside here. I would love to show you yesterday's video where we pretty much calculated that breakout to happen, but I doubt it would load for us because that's what happens here. We're going to get slammed with commercials here. So we'll let this play out really quick. While we talk about it, but you can clearly see we were in an uptrend consolidating, and then yesterday we had that major breakout, but we were filling in this gap for majority of the time here. Let's just pull it up real quick. You can see if I populate Ethereum, wherever Ethereum might be. Here we go. Here's the Ethereum. Oh, that's XRP. My apologies. Let's get Ethereum on here. Is this Ethereum? Nope, not yet. Here we go. So you can see Ethereum right here was just at the forefront of breaking out right here. This is where we were yesterday. And you can see this is that opportunity. We had clearly drawn a beautiful uptrend right here. If we continue exactly right here. So you could see we had drawn an uptrend here where there was a price ceiling. We were battling it out. We just recently closed above it, which was that opportunity to take advantage of. Definitely an aggressive one nonetheless, but an opportunity to buy in. And that's what we did. And we were able to capitalize off the run to the upside here because it was easily manageable. But we called a top resistance too, because you can see where we're peaking right now. We're hitting the top where we've been at before. So consolidation is definitely a must now for a lot of these cryptos. We're back inside. You can also see we're inside the ascending fractal yet again, as we were undervalued. We're probably going to veer back down lower, as that's something that I would suspect to see happen within a lot of these cryptos. We've been focused on 4-hour charts here. And although as much as I'd like to continue to rally up, we are literally trading at 84 on the RSI. A correction is necessary and healthy at this point in the markets moving forward. And you can see the S&P is showing signs of that already, as we are in an ascending fractal here. Beautiful, flag pull. Here's the flag itself. We are correcting, and you can see the blue band, the prediction that I have, which has been extremely accurate right now. You can see we're already starting to climb back down right here, which is what I also suspect to see happen. We'll come back up, break through, and then see a rally to the upside here. But we look really good for a lot of these cryptos. A healthy pullback is necessary to continue to move up. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.